Hi everyone. Yeah, I already started just recording the video, but unfortunately, it was. I mean, I haven't pressed this start. But anyway, I will start from scratch. Okay, today lesson it's about creating a pipeline. So yeah, last video we had the chance to install the build agent, and I can show you from here how to start to download or let's say to create a build agent tool. You can start from here, agent tool, and you have to create add pool. So last time I have created this one here. I will add the video link in the description. So now let's see the next step is to create a pipeline. What is the pipeline indeed? The pipeline is an automatic test or run or build for that code in the repo in this repo here. So let me just before diving into the pipeline, I will try to explain some stuff in the repo. So let's say I have this repo here, a master, and it has some codes here. Now the idea is, I mean, the good practice is to make master branch is protected. What does protected means? Protected means I can't change or delete this branch. So to do so, you need to go to the project settings, go to the repos, and select the repo you'd like to do and policies and select the branch. Let me put this here. Select the branch and you can see here, note, if any required policy is enabled, the branch can't be deleted and change must be made via pull request. So I have done this one here. So because I'm just a demo, I will just select this allow requester to prove their own changes. So now our master branch is protected. You can't do any changes to this one here. So for instance, let me just show you. I have already cloned this, or let me just do it here. Let me edit, add any text, and commit. You see, pushes pushes to the bit cannot be permitted. You need to make it via pull request. But yeah, this is the main point of master branch. Now to add your changes, you have to create a pull request. I mean, a new branch. For instance, you need to add, I don't know, to update something. You need to create a branch. I can show you. You can create it from here, or you can create it from the file itself. I mean, the directory. After cloning this, yes. So here you see, I can create. Yeah, because it's not. I have no permission now to add to update this code here. I have when I have some uh, need to add something to this master branch, I have to do it via pull request. But we will see it in the next minutes. Now let's see. I have this branch. I have only one branch, so I can create from here new branch, or I can go to the directory I have already cloned from here. Clone. You can do clone. Let's say clone. Copy this stuff, and let's say open a directory, and you can just hit this get clone and hit enter because but I have already the version here, so it's not needed. Okay, so as I said, you can create a branch from here, a new branch, or let's do it from via Visual Studio Code. You can see he is still retrieving the stuff, and here I have master branch here on 10. So now I can create branch. Let's say feature. It's called features. add, I don't know, update readme. Let's see, read. The feature. Let's see, the feature name should be reflect the task. Let's say I have created now a branch. Now it's now an update branch. So if I add some stuff here in the update, I can see remove this demo, for instance. And let's say that's only a change I have. So now before that, I need to add a message here, updating the readme. You can click here, commit and push. Because here it would you like to stage all the changes and commit them directly? Because this branch update readme, it's not in the git. What's this? What's happening here? Let's see. Okay. See, the branch has no remote branch. It means it's not right now in the git. I just say okay. Now if you see here, go back to the repo. Now I have the branch here, update branch. Or you can see it here. Now I can now merge these changes to the master branch. So first I have to go here, or just you can see create a pull request. And if you are not seeing here, you can go to the pull request, create a new one, and select the branch that you have the changes, and you may need to merge it in this master branch. You have to add this description here, and also you'd like to add a reviewer, for instance. I don't know, your colleagues, you can add it here, and the work items. Our work items, it should be here in the board, but it's not the time to do to discuss this stuff. Let's see. Yes, create. Now pull request is approved. Yeah, I have, because I have done this in the previous video. I mean, but because it wasn't recorded, but yeah, so I will explain it from scratch now. So you see sit out complete, and if I see this will be deleted, this branch. Hmm. Yeah, this is my mistake. Sorry, but this is not you see, it's not a problem. So now if you see, if you go to pull request and go to already completed, you can see here complete. Now if you go here, we can see only the master branch. The one is already deleted, and our commit was in readme, I think. Yeah, I have deleted this demo. Now this wait, I have to do stuff before this repo. The pipeline policies, and because here I have added a pipeline, but I will just remove it and go to the repos normal no, again, and create a new branch from here. Feature add, I don't know, add update بس update readme. This is fine. Now this one here, this branch, it's not protected. What does mean? I can edit this file here. So you can see classification. I can remove. I have to click edit. I mean, I can edit from here or from Visual Studio Code. This is fine, but because it's a small changes, I can do it here. I will just commit. Now let's say I have the update branch here. Create branch, Create a pull request, create. Now see, it's no merge conflict, and I have only to update because the master branch is protected, and I see complete. But now this is, I will see, of course, this is the forward step, but this is not the right step to do. So we need any changes before merging to the master branch have to be compiled in another BC, in another, let's see, build agent that we created last time. So to do so, we need to go to the pipelines, and from here we need to create a new pipeline. So okay, so we can, you can't see here the classic pipeline. I need to see to do it with the classic pipeline. We can, you can go here uh, to the root directory, not to the project, to this one here. Click right click, because here if you go to the demo, go to the project settings, you can see the build agent pipelines settings, and you can see here disable creation of classic build and release pipelines. This is on. It means it's disabled, but I can't change it here. So I have to go to the root directory, this one here, and organization settings, then go to the pipelines setting, and here I can remove this. So now I can see the classic build pipeline. Let me go back to my stuff here, and I have the pipeline here. Now I need to create a new pipeline. There's some many, let's see, some stuff. The via the code via YAML file, but in my tutorial I need to create it without YAML, the classic. It's let's see, readable. And here, which where's my code? It's in a Git or Azure repo, but my code is in Azure repo. And for the master branch, I can create. Now let's see, I need to make it empty job. Start with empty job, and here we can see merging CI. CI, it means continuous integration. And I need to select the specific agent. The agent we have created last video. I will show you. I will attach this in the video description, and you can see here Paul demo, because we last time we have created, and now we need to add the steps to be done before integrating the merging the code into master branch. And let's see our code, because our code is Python. I need to see it says here Python, use Python version. See, I have Python 0.80. Need to disable this downloading. Yeah, but before this, I have also tried before. It was really hard to to do this. So what is the idea behind this is to have to right click. I will attach this link as well. So let's say I need to compile my code with uh, Python 3.9. I have to download this. I have downloaded here. And for the installation, okay, let me, yeah, before that, I need, so for the agent we have downloaded or created last time, it was like this here. But because it's not already used, maybe in your site it's not used, you can create this manually work. It has to be like this, underscore work, and you can create this one as tool, then Python. Then this is the Python version I have downloaded. So let me show you what I mean. I have I have download here. This is, let's say, a Python 3.9. Okay, it's already here. Let's see. Let's try point. Let's see, this is the one we need to install. It's up to you. Was it already installed? No. Yeah. No. So I can create, run, install this, but don't use this. Use this here, custom installation. Just keep this as a default. Next. Now here, we need to change this directory. So you need to put this in this directory. Copy. Now with the Python installation, right? Then I need to change it to 10 because it's 10. I said click install, and you can see I have this folder, this file here, x64.complete should be also inside this. Oh, forgot to add the. Yeah, I can do it later. Just wait, because the default structure should be the Python version, then x64, then the Python files here, and also including this you need to add it manually. Create a new file. Let's see here, we can do it here in the 10. Almost done. Yeah, close. Now we need just to move everything inside x64. Let's create this folder, x64. Move this all files inside this. Now we need to create x complete, x64.com complete. Just click OK. Now this is how I use Python. I haven't used downloaded with the Git registry. Let's see, GitHub registry. I just use this installed. This will save you much time. Now I have 3 versions of Python. I can use whatever I want. So now go back to the directory here. I need to use, let's see, this one, 3.8, and this is the steps here. We need to add it in the next lecture. Let's see, next lessons. I will add here how to download the dependencies. For instance, see here in the classification classifier, I have here NumPy, Panda, Matplotlib, Skyline, Lite, GBM. This has to be installed before running this. Let's see, but this we will do it in the next time. But and you can see here, this is to trigger master branch, and it's enable. There's here triggers enable continuous integration. This means when you try to make a pull request or try to merge any branch to this to master branch, it will be this pipeline will be automatically triggered. But I don't need like this because I might need to use this branch, this pipeline in another branch. What I can do is going to this. I have to save. Let's see, this is the complete pipe. For now, it's only using the Python 3.8. Now I will go to the settings, project settings, go to repo, now classification, click policies, now click the master branch. Now here I need to add, I will remove this. I need to add a pipeline. So once a merge or pull request is created, this pipeline should be, let's see, triggered. And here's merge CI. Just click with the default values. Now you can see here I have pipelines, nothing is running. But see when I update some stuff, okay, I have already deleted this. It was deleted by default. Now let's see, let's create, it's already here because in the it's locally now in my branch. Let's say I have changed this. Why is that? So let's say I have just add some spaces. And now I need to make this commit. So commit to the update branch. But update branch now it's really new regarding this is only locally in your PC. And you can see here, yes, I need to push this now to the Git. Now you can see I have two branches here. And you see IO updated blah 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 branch just right now. Okay, if you would like, if you already finished your changes, you can create a pull request. Pull request it means try to make the changes you have done here to the master branch. And you can see here the changes. It's only one file, which is just adding some spaces. This is the commit. Now let's see when I create now, just click create. The pipeline will try to trigger it automatically. You can see it now. Click create. Now go to the pipelines. You can see it's triggered automatically. And you can see pull request automated for blah blah blah. Now it's already done. This is only, let's see, a demonstration how to use the pipeline. This is not, let's say, a fully pipeline stuff. The pipeline should including the how to do create, let's say, a visual environment, how to download or install the requirements, how to test the system. So everything will be created. See, next time we will see add some test cases, yeah, unit test, and you can see here how many test cases already failed or passed. Now you can see here I have to go to the pull request. This is update. It's not already made in the develop branch, the master branch, because here you can see at least one reviewer must approve because the branch is already protected, the master branch. Someone has to approve. So I can approve it here. And if you need to add someone, you can add it as reviewer as optional or required. But for now, it's only me. I will just approve. Now I will click complete. Now here complete, this branch will be deleted from the repo. I will click complete. Now see complete. No, required successfully. No conflict. Nothing. Now everything is done in everything now in the master branch. This is for today. I will see it's enough. And for the next video, I will try to extend the pipeline so we can see how to add many stuff here. That's it for today, and thank you for watching. See you next time.